All right, soldiers. Listen up. We've got a dirty bomb, and the bastard's planning to use it. Our job's to get down there and make sure they never get the chance. We can't run the risk of spooking them. So we go in hard, fast, and quietly. There's no room for mistakes. But if something goes wrong, we've got Sergeant Pugzey. Now I know what you're thinking. He's a maverick. Maybe even a little old, but he's the best damn sniper there is. Any questions?
Yeah, that's a dog.
That's not a question, Private.
That's a dog?
Much better. Let's move out!
What? No! Guys!
4 letters. Something you say to express pain. No, it starts with an A.
Sir, can we talk about Sergeant Pugzey for a minute, please?
That damn maverick.
Yeah, sure. Look, I'm not really comfortable with him being a part of this team.
What?
You know, on account of the fact that he's a dog.
What? How did you find out?
It's kind of obvious.
Damn it. Look, the others don't need to know about his drinking problem.
What? I don't care if he's a drinker. The question is how to get in the army in the first place.
Oh! You want to bring back Don't Ask, Don't Tell?
If the question is, are you a dog, then yes.
Huh. You won't be so quick to judge when Sergeant Pugzey's saving you from an...
He doesn't even have thumbs.
Leave your prejudices at home, soldier.
It's an ambush!
Damn it! Why didn't you warn us?
Because he can't talk!
Of course! That damn maverick has a plan! That son of a bitch has balls!
No, he doesn't! He doesn't have balls!
Oh, is that a problem?
I mean, they were cut off!
Oh, is that a problem?
Not now, Private! No, Private!
Damn it, Pugzey, where's our cover fire?
Sir, there is no cover fire because dogs can't fire guns! I mean, what's next? A hamster in a plane?
Don't be ridiculous. Captain Squeakers. All right. I admit it. Sergeant Pugzey is a dog.
Yeah.
What? He may well be a dog and an alcoholic. He also poops outdoors. But by God, he's the best damn soldier I've ever had the privilege of...
You just couldn't afford a dog sitter, could you?
They're really expensive.
He is a maverick.
Who's a good boy? It's you.
No.
You couldn't save us all, Pugzey.